Welcome back to another recipe. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the perfect kelewele or spicy plantain. Let's take a look at our ingredients. Here we have some fresh pepper. You can use a dry one, some onions, calabash, nutmeg, cloves, and salt. We are going to transfer all of our dry ingredients into our earthenware bowl just like this, and we are going to grind this. If you have them in the powdered form, then that's fine. You can go ahead and use that. Also, you can choose to blend all of this in your blender if you do not want to go by it this way. Now we want to slice in some onions. This is going to give it some amount of water that is going to help us grind the dry ingredients. Now let's introduce ginger. Don't add a lot of ginger. If you add too much ginger, it's going to be bitter, so just do it in a minimal way, and that's perfect. Grind these until it's smooth, and then you go ahead to introduce your pepper. Grind them. I'm trying to grind this bit by bit so I get a very smooth consistency or a very smooth outcome. So in order to achieve that, make sure you do it bit by bit and you get it perfect. Now let's introduce some salt to taste. Then we grind this until smooth, and after which we will set it aside. If you are using a blender, make sure you do not add too much water to this. You don't want to do that. So this is what we want to go for. Set aside, and let's come to our plantains. You want to get your ripe plantains, peel them, and then you cut them into small cubes. All the details you need to make this will be in the description like always. So do well to read the description to get every single thing you will need to make this. Let me take a moment to thank you all for stopping by and clicking on this video. If today is your first time, you are welcome, and do not forget to like this video, subscribe, and also click on that bell notification icon so you do not miss out on any video I'll post in the future. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by once again, and kindly share all of your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll be glad to read them and respond to them all. Now you want to introduce your blended or your grinded ingredients just like this. You do not want to add everything. You want to do it bit by bit until you get a perfect consistency, or everything is coated very well to your perfection. So just do it bit by bit, and after this you want to leave this to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes so that all the spice and then all the juice will just marry very well into your plantain. And you heat up some oil while you're at it, and then you just transfer it into your oil. Do not let your oil heat too much before you put them in it. Now after you put everything in the oil, make sure you do it bit by bit and do not stir immediately. Allow it to fry for some time before you stir. If you stir immediately, you put it in the oil, it's going to wash all of your ingredients into the oil without it being coated with the plantain. So you do not want to do that. Just do it gently, and when you are stirring, do not do it vigorously. Just do it gently until you achieve a golden brown color like this, and then your plantain should be set aside, and then you repeat the process until you achieve something like this. Now our kelewele or spicy plantain is ready. You can serve this with your groundnuts, and if you love this video, give it a thumbs up, share to your friends and loved ones so they don't miss out on any video I post in the future. Also share your thoughts in the comments, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye.